Glow sticks are a fascinating invention that never fails to captivate us with their vibrant colors and mesmerizing glow. Whether they're lighting up the dance floor at a party, guiding hikers in the wilderness, or serving as emergency lighting during power outages, these handy little tools have an enduring appeal. But have you ever wondered how glow sticks actually work? What's the science behind that magical glow? Today, we're diving deep into the chemistry and mechanics of glow sticks to unravel the mystery behind their luminescence. Welcome to the History of Simple Things, where we delve into the fascinating history behind the little things that shape our world. At their core, glow sticks rely on a chemical process called chemiluminescence. This is the emission of light as a result of a chemical reaction. Unlike a light bulb, which relies on electricity, or a candle, which produces light through combustion, glow sticks generate light purely through chemistry. This is why they don't emit heat. They're what scientists call cool lights. The chemical reaction that powers a glow stick is a carefully balanced mix of specific substances, all working together to produce that signature glow. Inside a glow stick, there are usually two separate chambers. One chamber contains a liquid solution, often hydrogen peroxide, while the other holds a phenyl oxalate ester, along with a fluorescent dye. These two components are kept apart by a fragile glass vial inside the glow stick. When you bend the stick, you break the inner vial, allowing the hydrogen peroxide to mix with the phenyl oxalate ester and the dye. This is where the magic begins. The hydrogen peroxide acts as an oxidizing agent, triggering a chemical reaction with the phenyl oxalate ester. This reaction produces an unstable compound known as 1,2-dioxetanedione, which quickly breaks down and transfers energy to the dye molecules. These energized dye molecules release the absorbed energy as visible light, creating the glow we see. The role of the fluorescent dye in this process is particularly interesting. The dye not only emits light, but also determines the color of the glow stick. By using different dyes, manufacturers can produce glow sticks in a variety of colors, from green and yellow to blue, red, and even multicolor combinations. The dye essentially absorbs the energy from the reaction and then emits it as photons, which are tiny packets of light. This is why you can find glow sticks in so many vivid and eye-catching hues. Temperature plays a significant role in the performance of a glow stick. If you've ever put a glow stick in the freezer or warmed it up in hot water, you've probably noticed a change in its brightness and how long it lasts. This happens because the rate of the chemical reaction depends on temperature. When you expose a glow stick to heat, the reaction speeds up, causing it to glow more brightly, but for a shorter period of time. Conversely, cooling the glow stick slows the reaction down, dimming the glow, but making it last longer. This is why emergency responders, or outdoor enthusiasts, often keep glow sticks in cooler conditions until they're ready to use them, ensuring they last as long as possible. One fascinating aspect of glow sticks is how they've evolved over time. The concept of chemiluminescence has been studied since the 19th century, but it wasn't until the 1960s that practical glow sticks were developed. Chemists recognized the potential of this light-producing reaction for a wide range of applications, from military uses to entertainment. The U.S. military was among the first to adopt glow sticks, using them for signaling, marking locations, and even as a light source in tactical situations. Over time, the technology became more refined and accessible, leading to the commercial glow sticks we use today. Modern glow sticks are not only fun, but also incredibly versatile. In addition to their use at parties and concerts, they're widely used in emergency situations. Glow sticks are an essential part of many survival kits because they're reliable, waterproof, and don't rely on batteries or electricity. They're also non-flammable, making them safe to use in hazardous conditions, such as after natural disasters or in confined spaces with flammable gases. In the entertainment industry, glow sticks have become iconic symbols at music festivals and events, creating a unique visual experience that enhances the atmosphere. Another important point to consider is the environmental impact of glow sticks. While they're incredibly useful and fun, most glow sticks are single-use and made from plastic, which contributes to waste. Efforts are being made to create more sustainable alternatives, such as biodegradable glow sticks or reusable light sticks powered by LEDs. However, the unique charm of a glow stick's chemical glow remains unmatched, which is why they continue to be popular despite their environmental challenges. It's also worth noting the safety precautions associated with glow sticks. While the chemicals inside are generally considered non-toxic, they can cause irritation if they come into contact with skin or eyes. If a glow stick leaks, it's important to clean up the spill carefully and avoid ingesting or inhaling the contents. This is especially relevant for children and pets who might be tempted to chew on a broken glow stick. Manufacturers usually include safety instructions on the packaging to help prevent accidents and ensure that everyone can enjoy glow sticks safely. As we marvel at the glowing brilliance of a glow stick, it's easy to overlook the intricate science and ingenuity behind this everyday item. The combination of chemistry, physics, and clever design makes glow sticks a perfect example of how scientific principles can be harnessed to create something both practical and magical. From their use in life-saving situations to their role in adding fun and color to our celebrations, glow sticks are a shining testament to human creativity and innovation. So the next time you crack open a glow stick and watch it light up, take a moment to appreciate the science that went into making it possible. From the chemical reactions inside to the thoughtful design that keeps the components separate until they're ready to shine, glow sticks are more than just a novelty item. They're a small but brilliant example of how chemistry brings light to our lives, literally and figuratively. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.